ready to potentially amplify your crypto gains, but also understand the amplified risks. Let's dive into how to trade with leverage on Kraken Pro. First, log into your Kraken Pro account if you don't have one. You'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Navigate to the trading interface by selecting Trade. Before you can trade with leverage, you need to have funds in your Kraken Pro account. Check your balances to ensure you have sufficient funds. If not, deposit some crypto or fiat currency. Choose the trading pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin against US dollars, BTC, USD. The trading pair you select will impact the margin requirements and leverage available. Now, find the order form here. You'll see an option to select your leverage. Kraken Pro offers various leverage options, like 2x, 3x, or even 5x. Be mindful, higher leverage means higher risk. Crucially, set a stop-loss order. This will automatically close your position if the price moves against you, helping to limit potential losses. It's found within the conditional close options. Once your order is placed, monitor your position closely. Keep an eye on the market and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. Continuously follow market news and price charts. Remember, leverage trading is risky. Only trade with funds you can afford to lose, and always manage your risk effectively. Happy trading.